वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Imagine you have just discovered a formula, one so powerful that it guarantees peace, happiness, and clarity. Scientists search for a grand unified theory that explains everything in the universe. But Guru Arjan Dev Ji, in today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar at Ang 963 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, already gave us the ultimate equation for life. श्लोक महल्ला पंजवा. अमृत बाणी अमयो रस अमृत हर का नाम, which means the bani of the Guru's word is ambrosial nectar. Its taste is sweet. The name of the Lord is ambrosial nectar. Guruji further says, मन तन हृदय सिमर हर आठ पहर गुण गाओ, which means meditate in remembrance on the Lord in your mind, body and heart 24 hours a day. Sing his glorious praises. So Guru Sahib is revealing a universal truth. Just like gravity is fundamental to physics, Naam, Simran and Gurbani are fundamental to human soul. Without gravity, we would float aimlessly. Without Naam, Simran, our mind floats in distractions, stress and anxiety. So here's the formula for bliss. Amrit Bani is equal to energy. Simran is equal to frequency. Peace of mind is equal to constant. H like Planck's constant in quantum physics. When we tune into the frequency of Naam Simran, we generate spiritual energy that remains constant, no matter what external circumstances or situations arise. Einstein's famous equation E is equal to mc square tells us that mass and energy are interchangeable. Similarly, the mass of our worldly worries transforms into energy of peace when we immerse ourselves in Gurbani. Now think of your mind as the pendulum swinging between past regrets and future anxieties. Gurbani is the force that brings it back to the center, the present moment, the Anand, the bliss. Neuroscience now confirms what Guru Sahib told us centuries ago. Studies on meditation and mantra chanting show that Simran activates the prefrontal cortex. This part of the brain is responsible for decision making, calmness and focus. Then it lowers the amygdala response, which is responsible for our emotional setup. So this is the fear center of the brain. More Simran, less fear. Then this creates alpha brain waves. Alpha waves are linked to relaxation, creativity and spiritual awakening. Isn't it amazing that Guru Sahib already gave us the formula for mental and spiritual health centuries before science caught up? Dr. Singh, an aerospace engineer at NASA, once said that listening to Kirtan while solving equations improved his ability to focus. He found that Simran cleared mental fog and helped him solve complex problems effortlessly. This isn't just magic, it's the neurological alignment of the brain with divine vibrations. A heart patient in Canada who was scheduled for a risky surgery started chanting Vaheguru for just 5 minutes daily. His stress levels dropped, his blood pressure stabilized, and his recovery was remarkably fast. Now, this isn't just belief. Scientists confirm that chanting affects the vagus nerve, which control heart rate and relaxation. So Guru Sahib's message is universal. Every great leader from Einstein to Steve Jobs understood the power of mindfulness and focus. And Guru Arjan Dev Ji simplified it centuries ago. मन तन हृदय सिमर हर आठ पहर गुण गाओ. This doesn't mean that sitting all day and chanting or go to the cave, sitting in the cave and chanting. It means bringing awareness of Vaheguru into every action. Action is very important. So I repeat, bringing awareness of Vaheguru into every action. Cooking, say Vaheguru. Driving, just focus on Almighty and drive very carefully. working, keep a shabad playing softly in the background. What I mean to say, just focus on Vaheguru all the time. So let's turn this Hukamnama into a scientific experiment. So you can take 7 days challenge. Start your day 5 minutes of Simran, just 5 minutes of Simran, or you can start with 2 minutes also. Observe how your body and mind feel. Then you will start noticing that you will handle stress in a very effective manner. So notice how you handle your stress. So science will confirm what Guru Sahib already declared. Naam is the ultimate quantum energy of bliss. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.